This video examines the architecture of SQL injection vulnerabilities, deconstructing various attack vectors, from in-band manipulation to blind exploitation, to help you understand how these threats compromise database security. SQL injection attacks can be categorized into three primary families: in-band, where data is retrieved through the same channel; blind, which uses logical or time-based triggers; and out-of-band, which leverages alternative protocols for data exfiltration. This comparison matrix outlines the attack methods. In-band attacks are typically high-speed, blind attacks are resource-intensive, and out-of-band methods offer a unique approach when standard feedback channels are restricted. In-band attacks often bypass authentication. By using tautologies like OR1 equals 1 foot or SQL comments like blocks, an attacker can manipulate query logic to gain unauthorized access to a system. The union operator is a common in-band technique used to merge results from different tables. By carefully matching the number of columns, an attacker can extract sensitive data from other parts of the database. Error-based injection forces the database to generate an error message containing the desired data. By intentionally triggering a conversion error, the attacker forces the server to disclose information within the logs. Piggybacked or stacked queries allow an attacker to append additional commands using a delimiter like a semicolon. Depending on the database configuration, this can lead to data modification or deletion. Boolean-based blind injection relies on observing how an application responds to different logical conditions. An attacker can determine sensitive data by testing character by character and observing if the page content changes. Time-based blind injection works by forcing the server to pause before responding. A consistent delay in the response confirms that the injected condition was met, even if no data is directly visible on the page. When time delays are restricted, attackers may use heavy queries to consume server CPU resources. By analyzing the response time, they can infer information about the database state. Out-of-band injection is used when no direct response channel exists. The database is forced to initiate an external network request, such as DNS or HTTP, allowing the attacker to receive data remotely. Second-order SQL injection occurs when malicious input is stored in the database first, and then executed later when the system trusts the data it retrieves. This delayed threat can be particularly difficult to detect. This decision tree summarizes the attacker's approach. By testing how an application responds to different inputs, an attacker determines which injection technique is most effective for a specific environment. In summary, SQL injection is a powerful method for manipulating application logic. To defend against these attacks, it is critical to use parameterized queries, ensuring that user input is never executed as database code.